Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've done a video, and we've been crazy busy with babies. So I thought I would just make a little video this morning. We got done feeding, and these are 9 of our babies. 2 of them are super chill, and these guys are begging for food even though every one of their crops are full. So these are 9 of our babies, all, some different parents of course, but this is what we've got right now. And just thought I'd make a little video and show you what we got going on. And if you like our videos, please subscribe. It does help. And we'll keep making baby bird videos. And we got a big surprise coming up. I hope, we're keeping our fingers crossed, that we're going to have blue throat macaws soon. I've gotten 2 clear eggs from them already. And last year when they bred, they gave me 2 clear eggs first, and then they went to breeding, and we got babies. So hopefully we'll get to have some more blue throat macaws. Those are super rare birds, and we enjoy breeding those and getting them back out there because there's just so few of them. Anyway, have a good day, and we'll keep making bird videos for you. Thanks. Bye-bye.